Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design an announcement on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the print section and click to the last option, the cards and invitates, and search the announcement option. Here you have more chance if you want to add images or videos to your project. Just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images, videos or audio files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section and you can find images and videos from your device. In the elements section, you can search different graphic elements, for example, stickers, charts, frames, grids, and more. In the design section, you can search different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer. Just select one and step on it. Now you can edit this template. If you want to change the style of the template, just go to the template style button in the design section and click that. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move. If you want to change the text, just click that and write your text. Now you can edit this text. If you want to change the style of the text, just click to the arrow next to the Beba's new button at the bottom of the screen, and here you can find the different text styles and font type. If you want to edit the size of your text, just click to the plus or the minus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.